Tea time with Ding Ding Kitchen always starts with a cake. Today, I'm introducing my delicious Pandan Sponge Cake. Soft, fluffy, and most importantly, not too sweet. Let's get started. If your eggs are refrigerated, start by placing it in a bowl of room temperature water. This is the coconut milk that I recommend. It's really the best. Remember to shake before opening. Next, cut some pandan leaves into the coconut milk to blend. Once blended, strain twice. Press using a spoon to get out all the juice. Now in a bowl, combine canola oil, the pandan mixture, and salt. Then sieve the cake flour and mix. Now take all the eggs and separate the yolk. Be very careful when you're separating the yolk. Now, personally, I'm an expert, so I have a lot of experience in this. All you have to do is lightly crack the egg, add the yolks to the mixture and mix until smooth. Now we can beat the egg whites. Gradually add the sugar, little by little. A tip is to avoid using a bowl that is too large. It will take forever for the egg whites to stiffen. Continue to beat the egg whites until they are stiff. Now let's pour in the mixture little by little and gently stir. Coat the pan with a little oil, or if you prefer, you can use parchment paper. Now let's pour in the mixture and gently tap to get rid of large bubbles. Fill a tray with hot water and place the pan in the center. Then, bake at 300 degrees for around 70 minutes or until cooked. Every oven is different. Mine was actually a little bit overdone, but it still tastes really good. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.